Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you this spectacular website I have designed. Are you ready to see something amazing? This website combines the latest trends in web design, real-time 3D animations, a striking modern design, and interactive backgrounds that come to life. And the best part is that you can download all the code for free from the description. For this project, we use cutting-edge tools like Nuts.js3 as the foundation, Three.js for 3D magic, GSAP for smooth animations, and TailwindCSS for modern and responsive styles. Each technology brings something unique to this website, and here I'll show you how everything works. Let's start with the crown jewel, this impressive 3D header. Check out how the cubes react to mouse movements, creating an immersive and unique experience. Each cube is rendered in real time with lighting and transparency effects that add a professional touch. Every section of this website has its own personality. The transitions are smooth and bring the content to life. The animations are designed to grab attention without being too overwhelming, and everything is crafted to deliver a next level visual and functional experience. And of course, we could not miss an impressive contact form with modern effects when focusing and dynamic validation, perfectly integrated with the overall design of the site. This form doesn't just look good, but it also works perfectly. Of course, the site is optimized for all devices and it looks really stunning on large screens and smartphones. No matter where you visit from, the experience is seamless. So, what did you think of this website? Remember, you can download all the code from the link in the description. If you want more projects like this, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications. If you want to make a voluntary donation to help us grow, the link will be right there as well. Thank you so much in advance and see you on the next video.